So what we're seeing is our one of our line staff is gotten the signal to start the engine. It takes about 20 seconds per engine to spool up. Now they're starting the number 1 engine. Hi, my name's Eric Legvold. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Davinci Jets. We're a corporate aircraft management and charter company. Headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. We operate 22 aircraft throughout the Southeast. We have over 40 full-time pilots and over 15 full-time mechanics. So today we're sitting in a brand new Citation Latitude, one of Citation's newest aircraft platforms that they've produced. So we take care of the regulatory environment for the aircraft. We hire the staffing being pilots, maintenance. We also have the scheduling, or what we call logistics. Telling the pilot the chocks are removed, they're good to taxi. A lot of our guys are dedicated to a specific aircraft, so they get to know the passengers that fly the airplanes all the time. Getting good, qualified people on the maintenance staff is hard to do right now. We need good people that can think outside the box. We're always looking for people to fill spots. Over the next 10 years, the trades are going to need more and more intelligent people to go and do those kind of jobs. In this industry or any other industry, learning what you're passionate about, knowing what that is, and then going and doing what you want to do. Be the best at that. You don't have to have a college degree to do it. If you have that passion, you'll be able to do whatever you want. You go start your own company. You can work your way up through management should you want to do that. It's endless what you want or can do. Everyone in aviation loves aviation, and they want people to be a part of it. They want good people to be a part of it. So if you feel that you could do something like this, go to your local airport, snoop around, talk to people, and see what there is out there. You never know what you'll find.